Yo, what's going on, guys? I'm Sam. Welcome back to another video. We have a fresh AirPods 2 report to talk about. In fact, a second source now corroborating the March 29th release date. So we're in March now. AirPods. But as of right now, AirPods could be just about 28 days away. So we are in the official AirPods month, I think. I want to talk about everything we're expecting to see, so let's go ahead and jump in. All right, so this first article comes courtesy of Apple's FRA, and they are a Spanish Apple site who seems to have a pretty good track record from what I've seen, from what I remember. And they are saying now that because they saw a supply chain screenshot, a report saying that the AirPods 1 lifespan was ending on March 28th, they believe that AirPods 2 will be launching on March 29th, and they also cite some other supply chain sources there. At the same time, the reason I'm pretty confident in this date now is because another independent source has also said the same thing. A Greek Apple site, iPhone Hellas, has said yes, it's also going to be March 29th, but not only are we getting AirPods 2, we're also going to get that wireless charging mat, the AirPower wireless charging mat that so many of us have been waiting on for over a year. So taking these two articles in conjunction with the fact that Apple is reportedly holding a special event on March 25th, and they have not sent out invites just yet, but a number of sources have said yes, Apple is holding an event on March 25th, 2019. Just a few days later on Friday is March 29th. It would make sense for Apple to release some new products on the 29th of March. So I feel good about this date. Let me know what you guys think down below. Will you be picking some AirPods up? And the weird part about AirPods 2 is that release date, March 29th, is actually the most straightforward part of what we're hearing. Because right now, there are two different versions of AirPods in contention, and nobody knows which one is actually going to be launching on March 29th. The first version is this. It's going to be a very minor upgrade. Could literally be AirPods 1 inside of an AirPods wireless charging case. This is something that Apple has already promised. They announced it in November of 2017 or September of 2017 when they announced the iPhone 10 and the AirPower wireless charging mat. Some sources saying that that is going to be the only thing launching in March is a wireless charging case for AirPods. We actually have images of this already that 9to5Mac was able to find back in the day. It's going to pretty much look like this, but instead of that green charging indicator located on the inside, Apple's moving it to the front. So as soon as you set it down on something like a wireless charging pad, you'll see if whether or not it's charged. There's also suggestion based on iOS 12.2 that hands-free Siri functionality could be coming to AirPods. 9to5Mac was able to uncover this pop-up, basically asking you to set up Siri functionality on your AirPods. Before, you would have to double tap or talk to your iPhone. You could never actually just talk to your AirPods hands-free. This AirPods like 1.5 or minorly upgraded version could also come in black in that new colorway and maybe have a matte-ish finish. The other version of AirPods, though, what I would consider to be the true version of AirPods 2 that could be launching soon in March, or it could be launching later in fall of 2019, according to pretty reputable leaker OnLeaks. This version is said to have the better base, to have that new coating, to come in new colors, probably outside of just black. And this version of AirPods would also have improved sound quality in the bass department. So if you ever thought that the AirPods bass was lacking, wasn't beatsy enough for you, that is said to be improved with second generation AirPods, and these ones, true AirPods 2, are said to have a higher price tag. My smart price says about $200 versus the $160 that AirPods cost right now. So this is where the confusion is. We don't know whether or not AirPods are launching, and I'm honestly getting tired of just following this ping pong game where no one's winning. At the end of the day, we still don't have AirPods 2, and I wanted to present this information to you just so you're aware. The full version of AirPods 2 might not be launching on March 29th. At the same time, it could. Maybe that new colorway is coming, the better base is coming, the new coating. Maybe that's all coming on the 29th. Maybe OnLeaks is right, and the big version isn't coming until later in fall of 2019, but Apple's going to do a minor upgrade with the wireless charging case on March 29th. And honestly, I'm leaning more that way now. After hearing this, I'm starting to be more and more convinced that the big AirPods upgrade is not going to happen until later this year, which makes me really frustrated because I've been looking forward to that better base and all these big features like the new coating, the new colorway. Again, some of this could be coming on March 29th, but I'm a little skeptical now. I think that Apple's just going to be releasing a minor update rather than the big overhaul we've been waiting for. What do you guys think down below? Do you think they're coming? Do you think the big upgrade is coming later this year? Or is it coming in just a few days, a couple of weeks on March 29th? That's all I have for you. Thank you so much for watching. As always, hit like if you enjoyed, hit subscribe for more. I've been Sam, and I'll catch you cool cats in the next video.